Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boy.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness if you wanna play.
Hello guys, we have another funny video, so let's start watching guys.
Officer, I'm sorry. I know I was speeding.
First name,
Frida.
last name.
Go, ma'am.
You're free to go, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Have a great
Wait,
day.
what? What? What?
Ibon. Pakustawa ka pa. Hindi na niyo pinapatahimik siya ng ibon, tapos ngayon hindi siya kumanta. Tapos pag kumanta siya ulit, aatakihin niya yun ulit. Kanta!
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, my turn. Oh, okay, I'm not a good singer, okay? I'm not a good singer.
Okay. It's okay.
Okay, listen. Listen. Listen first, listen.
I love you only in my mind. Gotta know that there will come a time to feel this feeling I have inside. You're hopeless romantic is what they say. Falling in and out of love just like a plane. Memorized and it's trying, still don't know what to say. What to say? Don't know what to do whenever you want it. Don't know what to say. My heart's floating in tears. When you pass by, I can fly.
Tingnan nyo to guys, so pag may dumadaan, humihinto siya sa sayaw niya.
Ba't titigil yan? Gusto masaktan yan.
Shoutout kay Dayan Roman, thank you sa pag-reply sa aking comment, idol.
This guy is a thief, and he has an incredible talent. In fact, he is on the set of a very famous show in the United States, and he came to demonstrate on a member of the audience. He's the best thief in the world because look what will happen.
Put it in your hip pocket. Put it in your hip pocket. Is it in your pocket for sure? Yes or no? If I can take it in 2 seconds, it's mine, right?
You see, he stole his belt. The man noticed nothing, and the host is completely shocked. But watch closely, it's not over yet, because the craziest part is yet to come. He then did the test on the host, who was aware, except watch closely.
Did you have anything in your hip pockets, anything that you concern, anything in your pocket down there?
He is way too good.
Guys, tingnan nyo yung reaction ng aso pag siya ang napagbuntungan ng galit. Tulog lahat, pati driver tulog eh. Guys, ibang-iba talaga ang feeling kapag bagong ligo. Ang gaan sa pakiramdam kasi yung mga libag mo nabawasan. May naisip ako guys. Pag nakikita kita, gusto kong paikliin ang buhay mo ha. Maghanap nga tayo ng mga bagay-bagay dito. Nakikita niyo ba? Nakikita ko guys.
No.
Hinahanap eh.
Walang nga ka, magaling ka sumalis eh!
Taran! Basahin natin. Happiness. Mukhang makakahanap tayo ng happiness dito guys. Oh! Oh! Pili tayo dito. Gusto kong tikman itong merong... Auntie, kukunin ko to ah.
Mandurugas ka?
Umalis sila Auntie Flor eh. Meron silang... May laro si Dustin ngayon guys. Kaya tayo ay... Nandito lang sa bahay. Si Lolo nasa taas, pakanta-kanta lang. Si Auntie Leonor naman ay nasa taas, tulog yata, wala silang shooting ngayon. Gumagawa po sila ng mga commercial sa TV at saka sa YouTube. Aha, ano, nalilito ko sa dami, no? Ano kaya masarap dyan, ano? Tingin ko lahat naman to masarap eh, pero... Ito na lang guys. Yan. So, tama na yan. Kasi sugar to. So, yun guys. Bakit kayo tayo kumuha ng chocolate? Para makaiwas yung mga kasama natin sa diabetes. Tutulungan natin silang kumain ng sweets. Parang ako, di ba? Sweet. Kaya sa mga chicks dyan, stay beautiful and stay sweet. Tikman na natin to. Sobrang tamis guys. Iba sila guys oh. Yung isa puti, yung isa medyo dark ang kulay, di ba? Okay, mas masarap. Itong dark naman. Para sa akin, mas masarap yung kulay puti. Baka bawal. Diba? Magic! Tara! Para siyang bakat ng paa ng dogs, diba? Parang sinturon. Tikman natin. Dati nagpa-FDS ako eh. Normal naman ang sugar ko. Hindi siya chocolate guys. Ano siya? Pastillas daw to. Sabi ng auntie ko. Bakit ba ang buhay ko'y ganito? Si Senyor Busabos, nagsasabing Thank you so much sa mga nanood. Take care and God bless us all. I love you all guys.